You heard me talk about the content and the form, the problem and the situation. In our current education system, the states and the districts hold most of the power because they are responsible for 92% of school funding. Actually, this percentage could change without affecting their political power. Although the Department of Education is part of the executive branch in the broader education landscape, I see it more as an advisor or consultant rather than an active executive partner, mainly due to its lack of funding. Therefore, creating a business agency within the department made of the 3 semi-private companies I mentioned earlier will bring in money and provide the department with a much-needed partnership role with the states and districts. Well, you may share your thoughts on that. More on the content and the form next. Stay tuned.